I see you walking up to find you, but if it don't.
We play board games, connect four, tic-tac-toe. We play war games, more flames, spit that foe. Oh, battleship, sink that boat. If it don't sink, then y'all niggas gotta row. Row your boat quickly down the stream. Get to
Hi everyone, today's my first day making my video. I got a couple things from Angelus Direct right here, about $750 worth of product, and I wanted to do an unboxing so I could show all you guys the cool things that they have to offer. And the whole reason I ordered all this stuff was to start doing my own customs on my shoes and you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy my little video I'm making, and actually I'll show you guys around my little den. This is where I'm going to put all my paints. This is my desk. It's not big, but got my little chair, my computer.
play board games, connect four, tic-tac-toe. We play war games, more flames.